Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting the file. Make a copy and confirm the extension is correct because changing it later can break recovery. Once done, launch Word in safe mode by holding Control to bypass add-ins. This isolates plugin conflicts. Next, try File Open and use the Open and Repair option to force Word to fix minor corruption. If that fails, disable Preview pane in File Explorer and attempt opening the copy on another PC to rule out environment issues. If Safe Mode and Open and Repair don't work, move to Content Extraction techniques. Open the file with WordPad or Open Office to salvage plain text. This often recovers most content. For docx, rename the file to zip and extract the document. XML to recover text or locate XML errors. This works because docx is a zipped package. Also run Office Quick Repair from Programs and Features if corruption persists. Follow with Online Repair, which reinstalls Core Office. To finish, create a new blank document and use Insert Object Text from File to pull undamaged sections. This often bypasses header-level corruption. Then check file history, OneDrive version history, or shadow copies to restore an earlier intact version. If problems remain, reinstall Office to refresh components and run a disk error check to fix file system issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if a file is still unreadable, try extracting XML from the docx and inspect for clear XML tags. You can often manually rebuild the document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.